DuckQuest videos are taking the internet by storm, racking up millions of views across social media. One faceless YouTube channel has exploded to over 853,000 subscribers with just 17 videos, proving that this trend is a goldmine for content creators. And the best part? You don't need expensive tools or advanced editing skills to get started. I know you might be wondering, can you make money with AI-generated DuckQuest videos? Absolutely. According to Social Blade, this viral channel is estimated to earn between $45,600 and $729,700 per month. That's up to $8 million per year. With the right approach, you can tap into this niche and start making passive income. And guess what? This trend is still fresh, meaning there's little competition. Now is the perfect time to jump in. Stick around until the end of this video, and I'll show you how to create high-quality, engaging DuckQuest videos step by step. You don't want to skip any part because each step is crucial to making viral, monetizable content. Plus, I'll reveal key monetization strategies to help you maximize your earnings. Let's dive in. Step 1. Generating AI image prompts with ChatGPT. Before creating visuals, you need a captivating storyline, and thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT, this process is easier than ever. But here's the challenge. Getting the perfect image prompts takes time. You need to give ChatGPT clear, efficient instructions to generate high-quality prompts, which can be frustrating and time-consuming. That's why I went the extra mile for you. I've created customizable prompts with step-by-step instructions designed to help ChatGPT generate the best image prompts effortlessly. You can tailor them to match your unique style and storyline, saving you hours of trial and error. I'll drop a link in the description so you can access these powerful prompts. Now, let's put this into action. Open ChatGPT. Paste the custom prompt into the input field. Click Generate, and watch as ChatGPT delivers unique, high-quality image prompts. Now let's move to Step 2. Creating stunning AI-generated images with Leonardo AI and Piclumen. Now that you have a story, it's time to bring it to life with breathtaking visuals. Head to Leonardo AI, link in the description, and sign up. Select Phoenix 1.0 as your model and set the 9:16 aspect ratio for optimal shorts format. Copy and paste the image prompts from ChatGPT into Leonardo AI. Generate and refine images until you're satisfied. AI sometimes makes mistakes, so if it generates a low-quality image that you don't like, tweak the prompt a little and repeat the image generation. When you're finished with all the images, download them. The other option for generating your stunning images is Piclumen AI. Open Piclumen, click on Generate for free, and sign up. You will come to this page here. Click on Create, then set your model to Flux Schnell. Then set your aspect ratio to 9:16, and here on number of images, select 2. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt, paste it to Piclumen, and click on Generate. Continue with this process until you generate all your images. Piclumen will generate stunning images for you without limit. Download all the images and organize them based on your storyline. Pro tip: experiment with prompt variations for better results. AI tools improve with trial and error. Step 3. Animating your images with Hailuo AI. To transform your static images into engaging video clips, go to Hailuo AI and sign in with your Google account. Click on Image to Video and upload your first image. Copy and paste the corresponding ChatGPT generated prompt, paste it here, and click Create. Repeat this process for all your images to build a complete video. Free users can queue up to 3 images, while premium users can generate 5 at once. If you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get notified when I share videos like this, and give the video a like to keep me motivated. Let's continue with Step 4. Downloading music and sound effects. Sound plays a huge role in keeping viewers engaged. It sets the mood, enhances storytelling, and makes your video more immersive. Here's how to get the perfect audio. For background music, use the YouTube audio library to download free, high-quality background tracks. This is my go-to choice. You can also find royalty-free music on sites like Pixabay and Free Music Archive. For sound effects, download all the necessary sound effects from Pixabay to bring your video to life. Pro tip: be cautious when using free music generators. If you don't have a paid subscription, your content might get flagged for copyright issues. The same goes for copyrighted music. Always purchase the proper licenses before using it. Now let's move on to Step 5. Video editing in CapCut. Now that you have all your visuals, music, and sound effects ready, it's time to put everything together. Follow these steps to create a polished, high-quality video. Open CapCut and upload all your videos, music, and sound effects into the project. Drag and drop your videos onto the timeline in the correct sequence. This ensures a smooth and logical flow. Scale your images slightly to hide any unwanted watermarks without compromising quality. Click on Transitions and choose your appropriate transitions to make your video flow naturally and keep viewers engaged by adding the transition in between the clips. I selected the mix transition and clicked on Apply to All to apply to the rest of the clips. Place sound effects exactly where they're needed to enhance impact and immersion. Drag your music below the sound effects on the timeline for proper layering. Adjust volume levels to balance the background music and sound effects, ensuring a clean and professional audio experience. Select on Filters and add a clear filter on top of your video and extend it to cover the entire timeline for a consistent and polished look. Once everything looks perfect, hit Export and move to Step 6, Enhancing Videos with CapCut. To make your videos look professional, search for CapCut Online Video Upscaler. Click on Magic Tools. Then select for Video and select Video Upscaler to enhance video quality. Upload your video and click on Upscale. Then wait for Upscale to complete. When Upscale is finished, click on Export. When on this page, click on the Download button to download your final high-quality video ready for posting. Before I play the final video, if you found this guide helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more AI content creation tips. Comment below if you're ready to start your Duck Quest journey. Now look at the video we created.